Hey, beautiful babes. Sweet Angel here. Listen, I hope you've been getting into these at-home remedies because guess what? They are good and good for you, for sure. Today is day 25, and I would like to share with you my Glow and Go green juice. Yes, that's it. Very simple to whip up. Let me share with you what you need. 1 cucumber, 1 small piece of fresh ginger, about 1 inch, 1 cup of pineapple chunks, and the juice of 2 limes. Listen, those are the simple measurements. Put as much as you want in there, but that's just to give you some benchmarks. Now let's get into what these great benefits are of each of these ingredients. Cucumber. That's going to help hydrate and flush out toxins. It's great for glowing skin, helps reduce bloating and supporting digestion. We have ginger to help boost metabolism and immunity, aid digestion and help in reducing inflammation, and also help in fighting nausea and fatigue. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C for radiant skin, contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps reduce inflammation, and it naturally sweetens, and also it energizes the body. And then finally we have lime, which detoxifies the liver and supports digestion, helps to brighten the skin and boost collagen, and adds a refreshing tang and vitamin C punch. Now, how to make it? Just combine all of the ingredients in a juicer or blender, excluding the lime. If you're using a blender, strain through a fine mesh for a smooth texture and serve chilled and enjoy immediately. Now you can drink this 3 to 4 times a week, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach for best detox and glow results. Now this juice is great for glowing clear skin, natural energy boost, digestive health and bloating relief, immune system support, and perfect pre-day refresher or post-meal cleanser. And that's it, your Glow and Go juice. Simple ingredients, amazing benefits, and it tastes so good. And if you try this recipe, drop a heart in the comments and let me know how you feel after 1 week. And don't forget, you can check out my Amazon storefront for all the juicing tools I used right here in my kitchen. Until next time, stay beautiful, stay glowing, and keep sipping on something good.